This sign is quite the beacon for the weary travelers in this cold, rainy Gatlinburg day. And this is the subject of our next vlog. Hey everyone, it's Cashew. Today's adventure brings us to Gatlinburg, Tennessee, to the Margaritaville Resort. I'm going to do a hotel review and I thought you might like to tag along, so let's go take a look. Our adventure starts here. In the distance you can see the Space Needle, and over to the left, Anarchista. And there's a really cool looking 1953 Woody, and you see, because I'm here a few days before Christmas, they have the Christmas wreath on the front. And check out the surfboard on top. They don't have them lit up yet, but they have snowflakes on the front of the hotel. Inside the lobby, they have a gift shop that you can buy some good merch. Inside the lobby, they also have this couch that looks like a porch swing. And this is Margot. Okay, let me show you what the inside of my room looks like. It's actually a very nice room. Off to the left is a mirror. And there's the main room, and I'll show you that in just a second. And across from the mirror is the bathroom. And you see they have the doors look like louvered doors, but they're really not. They're just made to look like that. And then the bathroom is very nice. It's very clean. And the shower and the bathtub are separate. Coming out of the bathroom, here's a nice table and chairs. It's meant for 2 people. And then over here, you have the kitchenette. It's really nice. They have great decor here too. And you have some K-cups, ice bucket, sink. Down here they have a safe for your valuables. And then the microwave and the fridge. And you see a lot of parrots in the room. Here's one. And then, I'm not sure if you can tell, but on the sheets, let's see if I can get a close-up. You can see parrots on the sheets as well. My room had 2 beds because that's what was available. And here's a line from Margaritaville, the song. And across from the beds is a TV with some built-in drawers. Nice wood finish. And of course there's a closet, but this is what I really want to show you. I want to show you the view. Let's go outside. Just look at this view. And there's the pool down below with, of course, a parrot for all the parrot heads. And you get a very nice view from this room. I'm on the 5th floor. So that's my room, and my review of the place is excellent. It's the best place I've stayed at in a long time, if ever. It's very clean, and it's just a nice place to stay. It does not feel like a hotel. And if you don't like beach decor, then maybe this isn't your cup of tea, but I highly recommend this place. So If you're in the Gatlinburg area, check out Margaritaville Resort. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. And in the description box down below, I'll have links to my PayPal, my Patreon, and my Teespring. So until next time, everyone, this is Cashew signing off. Okay.